Hello friends, now in this video we are going to discuss about the very important widget called the what called let me remember, called the expanded widget. Now in expanded widget we will use to maintain the layout of our app. To give every widget equal space, we use the expanded widget. For example, we will use the expanded widget. Now in uh, let's use the row here. Row. To use the expanded widget, highlight the container and just go to wrap with widget. You will use the widget expanded widget. Same, go down and highlight it and go to the wrap widget. Use the expanded widget. Expanded. Okay. Okay, let's run the app and check the output. You can see we have only expand the first two widgets, the one which is red and two which is black. These are expanded and occupy the equal space here. Let me expand the third one, and next we will discuss about when we discuss it. Okay, expanded, oh sorry, expanded. Okay, now let's just run it again. Expand. You can see that each container occupy the same and equal uh, space of the app. Basically, I said that in a nutshell, expanded widget is very important widget to equalize your widgets in the layout and to occupy the screen size. Now there are different techniques to use the this expanded widget. For example, what I mean to say, uh, before expanded widget mean here you can use the flex. You have already used the flex in the CSS. Let's say flex number one, and just copy this property and use in the next one flex. Okay, and here just give them numbers 2, sorry, okay, 1 2 and 3. Let's just start my application. Okay, now you can see the number 1 is small, great, and then greater. uh, it depends upon the number you are giving here. For example, you are giving the number 2, 2 and 2, these two should be equal. Now let's run the app. Oh, where is button? Okay, just go ahead. This new, now you can see these two are equal, occupying the equal space, and third one which is the number 3 is bigger than these two. Now I hope you are enjoying my tutorials. If you are enjoying, please do subscribe. Thank you. We will discuss more videos in the next video. Thank you.